So I'm talking about what about your journey? How's going about English language? Because I asked many people, like, if you have a something unique, so please share with me. Definitely, it's gonna help for my viewer, my people, my friend circle.
Okay. While my journey, I faced lots of obstacles while learning this language, and I think only 1 year I don't know about anything. I only watched several person video and try to understand them, and that time I don't know proper way how to learn this language and how to speak. Whatever
Okay.
anyone telling, I like at that time I become only fond of watching video, like only always try to watch second video and I try to watch third video, then fourth video. This type of thing I got it, okay. And then after I understand, no, I have to first focus about one thing and then after I will go. So what, while learning this language, what we need to understand, like there is a so many youtuber, there is a so many people, they told you do, they tell you do this, like read newspaper, watch this kind of videos and do this and that. But first we need to understand our hobby and what is the interest we have, which type of
Yes.
interest we have, and which field while watching that thing, while reading that thing, we love it without feeling boring and any kind of bad things. We need to
Yes.
understand this thing very properly and very deeply. And after that, when you understand, yeah, I love this thing, I love this type of songs, watching movies and newspaper and like storybooks and cartoon videos, and just don't think about anything, just do it only. And
Oh,
try
I
to
see.
speak with people, don't face and like don't feel any kind of fear while talking with people. If they are good, it's okay. If you are not good, it's really okay, because you are a learner, you don't need to think about too much while people.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
these true things I learned about my this journey by myself, because we always focus about other people, what you are doing, what is
Yes,
your
yes.
way to become successful.
Yeah.
But we don't understand ourselves, what our body love it, what our mind love it, and which type of mind we have. Like sometimes some people is very intelligent, okay, some people understand very quickly and some people understand too much late. Like our mind
Yes, yes.
works on repetition, so we need to understand whole thing for ourselves. It will take also like some meditation, if someone want to prefer like meditation. And while doing meditation, I also have some experience, I try so many meditation, okay, but that
Okay.
meditation is not help me, because I understand there is a some particular meditation for yourself only, like which
Mhm.
type of meditation you like for yourself. So I tried, Om chanting, like breathing, focus on breathing, and so many meditation is there. But I didn't do it that meditation only some days, and after that I forgot. I'm not
Okay.
focused about that meditation. Then I got like gratitude meditation. How to
Mhm.
do gratitude meditation, and after that my focus only 1 week become very particular. Yeah, what I want to achieve, what is my understanding for myself, not to other people. We need to
Yeah.
understand first for us who you are and what type of quality you have, what is your field, what is your hobbies. This all thing we need to understand for ourselves. And after that, yeah, we are capable to do anything and we are capable to focus while only particular way. So this is
Yes.
my whole experience. And there is a so many things if I describe, so it will, this video become a so lengthy.
No problem. But seriously, you're doing great, and your meditation is perfectly like just you watch a YouTube. I mean, watch a YouTube video, and we can say like repeat. And it's very important. If you passion about, if you interest, then we will learn. This is very
Yes,
very
right.
important.
Yes,
You know,
while your
ha-
interest
we can
also.
say habit. It's very
Mm-hmm.
important. If you passion
Mm-hmm.
about, if you make habit, automatically you will get a fluency.
fluency, yeah. But first, we need to about understand ourselves. Like, yeah, now, like, you have to reason. Yes, that's why I want to speak English, because without reason you only roaming here and there and watching so many videos and always feel nervous, anxiety, fear, and so many things. First, understand your why I want to understand, and second is how I want to do, and which type of environment I need, and create your own environment. This is a one truly things. We need to create our own environment. How we do it, this all thing. How we speak English, and sometime if we lose it, no, now I am not getting, now I am not speaking. So try to do next thing. Just try to do
Yes.
next. Find that thing and try to do.
Yeah, absolutely. Like people, people just lose a hope. Like for
Yes,
example, if I not speak proper, then immediately I think about, oh my God, I'm not speaking very well. How do I learn? How do I do? Immediately people feel too sad. Like just think about just left these things, just
yes,
leave this thing. Yeah,
I do it.
immediately.
I do it.
But we do not understand time. Like 1 month, 1 year, just give a time, automatically you will get.
Yes,
But I don't know
and
why people are all curious about, like, I want to learn hurry. Yeah.
they want like you one magic pillar. They have it, and they become capable. They become very fluent speaker. These type of
Yes.
things the people don't know. There is a so many hard work while that person is speaking. That's why there is a really so
Yes.
many hard work while behind of them. They don't
Mhm.
understand. They only want to ask the people, no, what is the your reason while speaking good? What is why you are, but they don't take it any kind of action. Yeah, like whatever I'm learning from other people, so I want to take that, I want to take that action. Yeah, if he is doing this thing, so I am also doing, but I need to take action first, and then after I will do it. I'm become capable while doing that things.
Yeah, absolutely. It's very important to just try to, like action, whatever we think,
Mm.
like any topic, anything. Just, convert, just talk to in front of people, talk to yourself
Yeah.
more, and what I'm doing, what should I talk. If you make a friend with your friend, with your self, we can
Yes.
learn, it's important. We can
Yes.
learn more and yeah.
Yeah. And second things, lots of people have a lots of hesitation. Really, this is true. Well, learning this language and lots of fear. So we need to remove our fear, and this is a really good way while talking with someone. And if you are not capable first to talk with someone else and make video, so try to on your own camera and try to make your own video. And first, watch yourself, watch your body language, your face expression, your wording, which type of mistakes you're doing, and next time try to do, no, I don't want to do these type of mistakes, and make it this kind of video. After that, suddenly you got lots of confidence.
Yeah, absolutely. And self recording is very important. Yeah. Like
Yes.
over there, we can, find our mistake, what we are going to do, mistake, word and pronunciation, how to correct. We can, find a mistake over there. We can correct whenever we record ourselves, like audio and video. Depend
Yes.
on your mood, like whatever you want to recording, audio recording and video recording. So it's very important. Like we
Right.
can learn, seriously, we can learn English language many way, but we
Yeah,
do
there is
not
a so
understand.
many way, but
Yeah.
but people don't understand this thing. They only want like how quickly, and they are very fascinated how quickly I learn it. But they
Yes.
don't know. While there is so many hard work, so many pain behind of this. And
Yes.
we
Yes.
need to make our mindset. No, it will take time. This is a lifelong process. This is a language, not a subject, not only grammar. We need
Yes.
to be, while we become fluent, we need to take like 1 year and 2 year, because there is a so many cheat people. They said to you, oh, you learn English without 30 days, 3 months, 6 months. It is not possible.
Yeah.
After when you do it, yeah, you are capable to speak little teeny mini English, and after that, while you stop, you forget this whole thing because this is a language we need to practice daily. Like Hindi, how we learn it? We learn it about listening, learn it about talking with every people, and this is only one funda to also apply any language, whatever you want to learn.
Yes, absolutely. It's only one funda, just like practice more and more.
Yes, right. There is
And
just so
second thing also like nowadays whoever learning English language, so people immediately jump to grammar part.
yes,
Immediately they just
yes, right.
I don't know why people do not understand like just avoid the grammar part. Start basically. If you clarify your basically, then go learn a grammar part.
Yes,
And
right.
first speak a first grammar, then definitely you will never learn an English language
Yes,
because
this
grammar
is.
is too boring. Like it's very critical, we can say.
I know very well. You right. This is really truly right because you know while in our daily conversation, okay, we are Hindi. Our native language is Hindi, Marathi, Tamil. So many languages in India. But in while daily conversation, we really use so many English words. Only one thing we don't know about that word. First,
Yes,
we need to open our mind and we need to, whatever you have, try to just talk with someone else. If you're doing mistake, it doesn't matter for other person and for you also. Just try whatever you have, just try. And after that, after 2 months, 3 months, try to go also grammar side if you wanna. So go and
yes,
have
yes.
it a lot of knowledge.
Yeah,
So
absolutely. You're right.
there is a lots of funda while everyone whatever, but if they want, so definitely they will do it. I know, and they if they don't want, so we know what happening.
Yes, yes, it's very feel too difficult.
Yes,
Before I like all think about like passion and interest. If you have
yes,
a interest, then you will get not a English language like Japanese, French, Germany, whatever.
yes,
So
right,
if
absolutely.
first it's very important habit.
Mhm.
Okay, so I think we have to go. Okay, because our video is going to lengthy.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah, so thank you very much for calling me and all the best your social work, your teaching part and your learning part. Okay.
Okay, you too, and nice to really talk to you. I gain lots of knowledge about you also, about your side also.
So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you soon.
Bye bye.
Bye.